We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Franklin County, Ohio. The child was last seen at 6217 Thornton Road, Columbus, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2017 black Chevy Malibu with Ohio license plate number JNU 3896. The suspect has been identified as Sahim Gourmet Gebremeskel, a 24-year-old black male, 6 feet, 1 inches tall, 150 pounds with black hair. The abducted child is Melina Gebremeskel, a 1-year-old black female with black hair, last seen wearing a white I Love LA shirt, black sweatpants. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect's vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert message.